Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about Bitbucket and how can we connect to Bitbucket repository using Spring STS or Eclipse. Basically, uh, you all aware what is Bitbucket. Just to give a brief, Bitbucket is a distributed versioning control system. Nowadays we are all encouraged to use Bitbucket as a versioning controlling systems. So it has clients like source tree and git bash. Okay, but basically like Java developers, like if there is any plugin in Eclipse to connect to Bitbucket, like we will be lucky, right? So just wanted to share this video for Eclipse tool users. Okay, so without delay, let me log in into Bitbucket first. Just give me a minute. Yep, when you log in, this would be the home page in Bitbucket. Currently there are no repositories, so we are going to create a one. I just click on create repository. Bitbucket underscore demo is the repository name. Okay, now inside Bitbucket underscore demo, we are given a file readme.md. Okay, so apart from that, this we are going to add one more file in this repository, sample.txt sample file. Commit. So this is my first file I committed into this Bitbucket underscore demo repository. Yep. Now I open Eclipse and I try to load this repository. Okay, here in Eclipse, just use go to Windows, preferences, sorry, not preferences, Windows, show view, type git. So select these two sections, git repositories and git staging. Open. Yep, by using these two sections, just we are going to connect to Bitbucket repositories and we are going to check in the files into repository. Okay, let's see. Here, when we created a repository in the Bitbucket, we are given a URL. By using this URL, we are going to clone these files in Eclipse. Under git repositories, we have a link, clone a git repository. Okay, I just click on next. And when we create a repository in Bitbucket, by default we will be having only master. From the master we are going to create multiple streams. Okay, now just we are pulling the content from the master. I click on next. Here we need to provide a working directory, and I am going to provide origin bitbucket underscore demo underscore origin. Basically this is my repository name, and just I given name like this. Basically with this name we are referring that remote repository. I click on finish. Yeah, just let me expand it. Under bitbucket underscore demo we do have several sections: branches, references, remotes, working tree. Out of that we are going to cover remote and branches. These two are required for today's session. Yep, here when you expand the working tree we can see the files, right? readme.md and sample.txt. We got these from Bitbucket repository. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to create a Java project. Now dynamic web project. Okay, my project name is hello world. I click on next and finish. In fact you can take any project, any type of project. Yep, here we have created a project hello world. Now our aim is to push this hello world project into Bitbucket repository. To do that, right click on the project root, team, shared project. Here we need to specify the repository details. Okay, so we have already created a repository. We are going to choose the same repository here and click on finish. Okay, now if you see here, whatever the contents of this hello world are appearing in this unstaged changes. Okay, if you want to exclude anything, any file, just exclude from here, like right click and ignore. Otherwise just simply select all and pull into stage changes and just give a commit. Pushing hello world project. Yep, so the content is pushed. Now let's see in repository whether we have data or not. It's not appearing. just refresh the page. Yeah, here we do have hello world, right? Okay, now here under bitbucket underscore demo we are going to update the file sample.txt, edit, updated from bitbucket online, and I commit the change. Now what happens in the bitbucket demo has the latest changes, but those are not available yet in the local repository. Okay, so now let's see how can we how can we pull those changes. Okay, just expand remotes under bitbucket underscore demo underscore origin. Here we can see this incoming and outgoing icons, right? Just click on incoming icon and fetch. Okay, now fetched from bitbucket demo, see whatever the file we have committed, we have updated in the bitbucket repository, that got pushed, that got fetched. Okay, now we just fetched it, but we didn't merge the change yet. Okay, now if you see here, see the comment sample.txt edited online with bitbucket. And what about local? Pushing hello world project. Okay, after pushing hello world project we have updated sample.txt in bitbucket repository. So this is the latest one, but this is not. So what I'm going to do is I just click on right click on master and match. See here, remote tracking, click OK. Okay, now see the comment got changed, right? Okay, let's see in Explorer whether it is reflecting or not. Sample file updated from bitbucket online. Okay, this way like just we can commit the files and retrieve the files from Spring STS. Just if any comments or suggestions, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.